Hi, welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. What are we about this week? Well, it's all about knowing when to stop. And this is something I see all the time. I do it as well, where you overwork a sketch. You start strong and then you just add a little bit extra here. You just fix this bit over here. Maybe you'll add a little bit of colour over here, and then maybe you'll fix that. You know what happens now. You end up with what looks like a muddy mess and not what you had intended. So how do you stop doing that? Well, I've got three things. Firstly, permanent markers. These are brilliant because you are putting down a permanent line. There's no correction. You can't faff. You have to be fresh and in the moment, which is really super cool for sketching. Also, number 2, set a time limit. So go out to sketch, but give yourself 5 or 10 minutes to sketch, whether that's inside sketching an object or outside, 5 to 10 minutes, and then stop. Stopping before you think you're done, because remember what we're doing with sketching is we're creating our feeling. It's fresh. It's something that's experimental that you're playing with. So this is a really nice design that actually remembered to stop. Later on, I got carried away, added way too many people. Now it doesn't really work. So stopping before you're finished is really good. So do this by a timer, or the other way you can do it, I'm just checking my time there. I haven't quite got to 2 minutes. This is take number 70,000,003. So, that's good. Anyway, before I do go over, the other way to stop if you don't want to do a timer is when you see yourself looking at your sketchbook going, that looks okay. I'll just, no, I'll just. That's when you stop. So, have a challenge, stop before you think. Come and join me on one of my sketching workshops and I'll show you exactly what I mean, and we'll go through and do some experimenting. It'll be so much fun. Come along to the Smart Art Academy, subscribe, like, you know how to do all the things, and I will see you again on another 2-minute art hack. Bye.